Yo, what's up with it, YouTube? It's your boy Levon, and today we got another DIY project. Simple to do. You ain't even gotta go to the store and buy nothing. Just use your materials you got at home already. Scraps. Let's go. Alright, so right here, this is my scrap bucket. You know what I'm saying? This is where I got the pieces at. I ain't have to run to the store, go buy nothing. I keep my patches in here. Should clean it, but you get the gist. Next, I got my pans right here. I got these jumps from Fashion Nova about 6 months ago. Just had them in the closet, been wanting to do something with them. So I'm gonna do these, they pink. So closest color I can get. Next, we got your paint, some Tulip paint I bought from Walmart. It's only about $1. Got your tape, I always have tape on deck. Got your scraps, you see what I'm saying? I ain't had to buy nothing, I found these in the bucket. You see that spread? Boom. Them the money makers right here. Spread. Yeah, spread. Yeah. Let's get it. And some scissors, that's all you really need. I ain't gotta go to the store, run to the store or nothing. If you already got these materials already, if you're a Cricut fan. Just gonna start off by taping my vinyl onto my mat. Simple process. Really not gonna talk this whole video. I'm just showing you guys how I started off. And after that, it's pretty easy. Take this, snatch it on your Cricut machine. I'm using the Cricut Smart Cut too. So I made a mistake, right? My machine cut through the vinyl. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it cut through the plastic. It's not supposed to cut through that. It's just supposed to cut around the letters. Only because I had it on card stock and it's supposed to be on iron on. So make sure you guys watch the settings, unlike me. But let's go. Yeah, it's pretty simple once you get into the process of it. It's really fun. Like taking mind off things. Look how this vinyl peeling like butter. Peace. We all need a little peace sometimes. Rather you got to a certain place you go, rather you do things for peace. We all need a little peace on earth, man. That's what I was thinking when I was making this concept. Life is full of beautiful disasters. You got peace on earth to stop it all. So yeah, anybody that's feeling this beat, make sure y'all go check out my brother, Jay Johnson, on the YouTube. He got instrumentals for you guys. Real good. Drake type instrumentals, all that. I'm gonna put it on screen for y'all. So here's all the pieces I have cut out. I had to do some off screen because my camera got the trip. But if you still here right now with me, give me a like, a comment, a subscribe. Give me something to let me know that you're still here. We're gonna keep the heat coming. Let's go. And since we talking about heat, I'm using the Cricut Easy Press to iron my vinyl onto my garments. But you can use an iron as well. I started off with an iron. I got this machine, it was much easier, but I wanted to get the bigger presser, so it's levels to it. You just start off and build your way up, so. I almost ain't want to come off. But yeah, now that I'm done with the main portion of the pants. I got all my vinyl ironed on. I'm just splat it out with the little paint I got. And I'm so sorry, guys. I couldn't get everything on camera because it ran out of space. So this is as much as I can give this. I'm sorry, y'all. But so here's the end product of a pants leg. I hit it with the black splatter paint and the white splatter paint. I tried to distress it a little bit, put some little distress in it with some scissors, as you see the little holes. But I did pretty good. What y'all think? Y'all want to see more of this? Let me know. Comment on what y'all want to see next. Once again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Maybe you guys got something out the video that you can take at home. Maybe it's the splat paint or the quote or whatever. Just thanks for watching, man. See you next time. We out.